Hi everyone, myself Akash. Most of my friends and colleagues they are asking with me that how they can earn money as a part-time job and in online. Means we can say as a remote work. So here I am here to tell you about that how they can earn money. So let's get into. So first thing is that you have to go here and search for the background removal job. So I will search here as a background removal job. Here the first link was peopleperhour.com. So we can go here. Here we can check that there are 203 founded. The job are there. So it's a 6.1k job, creating a commercial and then preparing image for the product. This is a easy one. So it is last 5 days ago job was posted and we will get inside this. Go inside it, and after going inside we can check this. The description is there, the client requirement, we can say this, and we told I'm looking for a photo editor to prepare image for the product we need to upload on the e-commerce website. So when we are using e-commerce website, we can see that the image is properly visible and with a white background. So here he told in the description point wise, crop image with the standard size, okay, transparent as all background is removed, and he also added some sample of the image 1 2 3. Okay, so I will take the middle one. Look, it is an image of Google and which is just captured by him. So I need to remove its background and give it to him. So what I will do, just save this image on my desktop. This is saved. Now I will go in the new tab and search for the background remove. Okay, there are several platforms by which you can remove the background of the image. Yeah, www.removebg. Okay, in the first link you will go, and after entering inside it, you can just upload that image. Okay, now upload the image. This image we can upload here. It is a very powerful tool to remove the background. So the background was removed. Now we have to download it. Okay, download it. Now what we need to do, that the client wants the white background for the website, e-commerce website. So I will go in the new tab, search for the canva.com, which is very popular nowadays. Inside this canva.com, what we need to check that the image size should be in the square, and as the client told, he does not told the accurate size, but the size should be in the square. Okay, so what we will do, we will search here for the square. So like 1080 was there in the Instagram square post, so post the social media post. So I will click on this. After clicking inside, we will go inside it. Now here what we can do, we have to upload that image. Go in the upload section, upload file, and you have to upload this image what we have, in which we have removed the background. After uploading, we have to adjust its color and visibility. So just resize it here. Okay, and edit image. Go in the edit image section and just adjust the color of the image. Contrast. So this is perfect, I think. Okay. We have two ways to remove the background because Canva also giving the access to remove the background, but in the paid version you have to get this. Like when I will go in the edit image and it will appearing here background remove. In the paid version you can see this. So when you have done this, just center it and download the file, download section in the JPG format. Okay, don't go for the PNG. After downloading, just go into this people per hour, sign up here for this and give the requirement what the we can say the website needed for the verification. After verification you can just bid on this project and give him this sample what we have just downloaded right now. So I will show you here. We have the downloaded one. Okay, this is a perfect file now. Check this. You can check this. It's a now perfect file for the product uploaded website. Okay. So like this, there are several platforms in which you can just do this work and get easily paid. And for the more video, just like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.